Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Fall is the perfect time to experiment with warm, cozy makeup. Today I'm going to show you how to use brown and warm tones to create a bold, beautiful look. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my fall makeup look with DIY lashes. If you would like more info on DIY lashes, click in my link in the notes below. I then used e.l.f.'s Putty Primer to smooth and blur imperfections. Next, I used Lancome's Tinty Dole foundation to even up my skin tone. The new Tinty Dole has a water-like texture that lasts all day. Next, to set my makeup, I brushed on Laura Mercier's translucent powder. This combats shine and gives a blurred effect. For blush, I used NARS Powder Blush in Orgasm on my cheeks. I then brushed NARS bronzer in Laguna down the sides of my nose, the hollows of my cheeks, and on my forehead. For glow, I brushed on Lancome's Dual Finish highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones. I then used MAC's concealer on my eyelids to prime and even the color in my eye area. The shadow palette I chose was Too Faced Better Than Chocolate. I started with the color Buttercream and brushed it all over my eyes from lash to brow. Next, I used the color Skinny Dipped and pressed it into my lids. This copper color really adds a touch of fall and brightens the eye look. For the crease, I used Bitter Half and worked it into the hollow for shape and definition. I then brushed it under my eyelids for framing. I then added mascara to my bottom lashes. And to clean up shadow fallout, I brushed concealer under my eyes. My brows are sparse, so I used Lancome's powder pencil to fill them in. I just wanted a feathery effect, so I brushed them up and out with a brush. For lips, I lined them with Revlon's Color Stay pencil in chocolate, and then filled them in with a spicy red color from Lancome called French Touch. And here's the final look, a warm, cozy fall vibe. Fall makeup is all about embracing warm, cozy vibes. Let your creativity shine through. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.